Hey guys, it's your boy Jason and the manager.
I'm here to take you on today's tutorial on how to turn on dark mode on your website. The first thing you need to do is go to plugins, add new, then go out to the search bar, WP dark. To install, wait for that to install and activate it. Then activate. So when that's done activating, you can see you can toggle on enable front-end dark mode, enable back-end dark mode, anyone you wish to do. So when you're done changing it, then click on save changes. So guys, once you're done enabling dark mode and saving changes, for the backend you'll see a toggle on top of your website that says light and dark. So click on that for dark mode, then toggle it back for light mode. So for the front end, let's check our main website to see if it works on the front end. So toggle it at the bottom. That's it guys, that's how to enable dark and light mode on your website. Thanks for watching, see you later.